Hello children, how are you? Children, where did you come from? Yes, you came from your home. While coming from your home, what did you observe in your surroundings? Yes, you can see plants, animals, buildings, etc. Children, today we are going to learn about various types of animals. You will achieve the following learning outcomes from this lesson. Children will be able to identify domestic and wild animals. Children can identify the animals by observing their body parts. Children will identify the animals with external ears and without external ears. Children will identify different animals. Cats, lion, elephant, zebra, tiger, ox. Rhinoceros, giraffe, donkey, fox, horse, buffalo. Sheep, dog and goat. Children, we have observed many animals just now. Among these, some are pet animals. Pet animals means, yes, the animals which we can see in our surroundings. Can you give examples, children? Yes, cat, buffalo, donkey, cow, goat, dog. All these are pet animals. We'll keep these pet animals in our homes and we will give shelter to them and we will give food to them. మరి పెట్ యానిమల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? మన ఇంట్లో పెంచుకునేవి, ఇంటి వద్ద పెంచుకునే వాటిని పెట్ యానిమల్స్ అంటారు. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ పెట్ యానిమల్స్. Let us observe some more animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, zebra, pig, giraffe. Where do we see these animals? Where do they live? Yes, they live in forest. So, the animals which live in forest are called wild animals. మరి ఫారెస్ట్లో అడవిలో నివసించే వాటిని ఏమంటాము? వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ అని అంటామన్నమాట. We can describe the animals based on the structure of their organs. అంటే మనము యానిమల్స్ యొక్క బాడీ పార్ట్స్ని చూసి అది ఏ యానిమల్ అనేది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట. దిస్ ఈజ్ టెయిల్. టెయిల్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ యానిమల్? ఎస్, గోట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇయర్. ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ yes, dog. These are eyes. Eyes of sheep. Yes, these are legs of zebra. Trunk. Which animal has trunk? Yes, elephant. By seeing the body parts, we can identify that animal. Some animals are bigger than us, some animals are smaller than us. How can we differentiate elephant from other animals? మరి వేరే యానిమల్స్ నుంచి ఎలిఫెంట్ని ఏ విధంగా సపరేట్ చేయవచ్చు? బై అబ్జర్వింగ్ ఇట్స్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్. ఎలిఫెంట్ ఐస్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ వెన్ కంపేర్డ్ టు ఇట్స్ బాడీ. ఇయర్స్. ఎలిఫెంట్ ఇయర్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ బిగ్. Teeth. The teeth of elephant are different in shape. Trunk. Only elephants have this body part, trunk. Legs. Elephant legs are very big in size By observing these body parts, we can say this animal as elephant. Who has got my ears? Let us see this picture. These animals are normal children? No. They are looking something different. They are looking funny. What happened here? These animals exchanged their ears. అవి చెవులు మార్చుకున్నాయి. మనము అవి దేని చెవులో మనము ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలన్నమాట. Who has got my ears? Mouse. Elephant has mouse ears. Giraffe has elephant ears. Dog has rabbit ears. This rabbit has giraffe ears. Mouse got dog ears. Buffalo got deer ears. And deer got buffalo ears. Like this, these animals exchange their ears. By observing the ears of these animals, we can identify the animal. Animals with external ears. What is the meaning of external? Outside. అంటే మనకి చెవులు బయటికి అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉండే యానిమల్స్ ఏంటో ఐడెంటిఫై చేద్దాం. Deer have external ears. Frog doesn't have external ears. Fish doesn't have external ears. Hen doesn't have external ears. Crow doesn't have external ears. Here for tiger we can see external ears. What is this bird? Sparrow. It doesn't have external ears. Buffalo. For buffalo we can see external ears. For snake, no ears, no external ears for snake. Lizard doesn't have external ears. For pig we can see external ears. For duck we cannot see external ears. For giraffe, elephant and cats we can observe external ears. Okay children? Here one table is given in your textbook, page number 21. What is there in first column? Animals with external ears. అంటే మనకి వేటి చెవులైతే బయటికి కనిపిస్తున్నాయో animals names ఈ కాలంలో రాయాలి. Animals without external ears అంటే వేటి చెవులు బయటికి కనిపించవో అవి సెకండ్ కాలంలో రాయాలన్నమాట. Let us write animals with external ears. Tiger, pig, cat, buffalo, giraffe, elephant. Animals without external ears. Fish, crow, hen, frog, sparrow and duck. These animals without external ears. We cannot see external ears for these animals. Okay children? Animals without external ears. Fish. For fish we cannot see external ears. Crow, hen, duck, sparrow, frog, For all these animals, we cannot see external ears. So these are without external ears. Children, with this our session is completed. Here is a homework for you. You answer these questions and show it to your teacher. Write down, children. Name some pet animals. Second one, write examples for wild animals. Third one, name some animals with external ears. Okay, children? Shall we meet in next class? Thank you.